again, I'll just pick on a couple of points from where Ajay left. One set of people you have is your current customers, and they have a whole lot of questions that they want answered as well, in terms of, will I be safe? How safe will my investment be? How will you take care of me while I live in your condominium? Will my payment plans that we agreed upon 6 months ago remain the same? Etc. etc. So there is a whole lot of conversation that needs to happen with your current set of owners, customers, buyers, and that goes through for all brands, not just real estate. The other is the conversation that needs to happen with prospects or with people that you would want to ideally reach out to. I think if anything, this is the time where brands need to be at their most honest, truthful, authentic best. If anything, this is the time where consumers will be even more unforgiving of brands that they see are trying to be cheeky or trying to profit from the opportunity that there is right now. Consumers are fairly intelligent guys like you and me, right? Perhaps more intelligent than you and me. We can see through when brands are being sensitive, genuine in putting out a certain kind of communication. And we can also see through when brands are just trying to a bit too hard to kind of come across as being relevant in a particular context, where actually people are saying that you're not relevant. So why the hell would suddenly every brand want to talk about how it's good for your immunity? Yeah, and you see that happening in a lot of communication space right now. Brands that have never spoken about immunity or have not naturally been associated with that ecosystem of knowledge or attributes are also jumping onto that bandwagon. So my point is very simple. I think consumers can see through who's being true, who's being genuine, who's being authentic. Consumers can see through that this is a cookie cutter communication that is going out to everyone, or is this a one-on-one response to my specific queries and my specific needs? Of course, tomorrow if